Hello everyone, am I audible to you? Okay, so you can just use chatbot to answer my questions, and I want this session to be very interactive. Type yes if you are in. Good. So yeah, Akfan, I would like to thank you very much for inviting me to give this session, and you found my profile perfect for this lecture. Thank you so much. Yeah. So yeah, I would like to give a quick introduction about myself, what I do and how I come to here like in digital industry. Yeah, thank you so much. People are joining, I guess. Okay. My name is Disha Dugani. I work as a digital marketer and social media manager. Akfan, should I wait for 5 minutes? Hello? Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. Okay. So yes, I am 26-year-old and I'm running my own business. I have been into this field since last 4 years, and I have pursued my engineering in Sangli. You may of know Maharashtra Sangli. How many of you know Sangli? Just give me a hand or yes in the comment section. Okay. So yes, I want this session very interactive because I really want to share my knowledge with you, and even I want to be updated with you guys because I'm quite sure you guys are so updated than me. But I'm here to share the right approach. Okay. So many of you just heard about it. Okay. So yeah, I have pursued my engineering in 2015 and then I went to Pune, and I have a software testing course over there, and then I did programming courses over there for logic buildings and all. And then I was searching for my job, as usual after engineering, what all students do, I did that only. And I have been selected with Sintel. And then at the time of that, during my joining period, actually I didn't get the letter before next company approached me, and then I joined the GPIS company in Pune, and I worked with Netherlands clients, and I have been a team leader for 2 months. Like in just 2 months, I have been a team leader, and it was a quite great experience for me. And I handled so many people under my team, and yeah, I achieved a lot of knowledge over there. But while working with that company, I realized this could not be done for the entire life, and I could not be like I'm not a job oriented person, I realized over there. And then what I started to do is I started searching for the courses and few new opportunities in the field. And then what I was looking for is what I can do from my home. Like I really wanted to do something which I can do with my free time also, and I can earn some well. So yes, this is my full time profession as a digital marketer. And then I started looking for the what are the courses over there in Pune. So I realized this has given me the digital literacy thing. Like this digital literacy thing uh, take me to the digital marketing course took me to the digital marketing course. and this has been a great opportunity for me. And while I was staying in hostel, I was wandering over here and there in the evening time after my job, and then I found a great institute for digital marketing course. I would not mention the name, but still, yeah, I joined that course with my job, and I did the course, and then I joined them on the Saturday Sunday because I was having holidays on Saturday Sunday, and I joined them, and I worked over there for a free of cost. So yes, that gave me lot of knowledge, and I hope you also are acquiring good knowledge in this field. And yes, so let's begin with the lecture. I would like to know how many of you know about digital literacy. Type yes. Okay. So you know digital literacy, and I'm here to tell you the right approach for digital literacy, right? Okay. So first of all, I would like to ask you, like, keep in mind what is Netflix and chill. What is Netflix and chill? So think about it. I will ask you later on. So I will just begin my presentation over here. Can you see the presentation? Akfan, please give me a hello or yes. Okay. Okay. What is digital awareness? Like, why you think digital awareness is a important part or the crucial part of our life? So what I think is the social media campaigns in the elections made us like think about it, and we have started for digital literacy programs and for digital literacy knowledge. So I think the social media campaigns in the elections impacted us to be very active on the digital platforms. And then schemes like Make in India and Startup India has brought the idea in our mind for startups and our ideas and following the passion. So yes, I would like to say, like, we children's, like, we students have the capacity to make the startups and make in India. So I hope you all will support me in the growth. So like Jio launched the internet facility for free Jio internet, and that has brought a lot of drastic changes in our usage of phone. Like, we were using the data packs of I don't remember actually the figure, but 250 rupees something for a month, and we used to save that for the entire month, and the consumption of the internet was really low that time. But when Jio launched the facility of free internet, we started using the smartphones too many times. Just a second. Hello, could you hear me? So okay, um just a second. So yes, I will start. I'm so sorry for the disconnection. Yeah, when Jio launched a free or the affordable internet, we started using it for the longer time, and our screen times increased. So I would like to check your screen time first and give me the inputs. How can you check that? Do you know that? Go to your settings and go to apps, and then you can see the screen time over there. So just type a message. What is your screen time? Okay, I'll just quick begin with the next time. So yes, smartphones, cheaper internet and free social media gave us that freedom to use smartphone without any limit. Do you agree with me? Okay. So what is the age of digital literacy? I am quite sure you people are very digitally literate than me, because you are younger to me, right? And do you know what is the minimum age of digital literacy? Like this I could say with a very practical manner, that in my relatives I have seen the kids or the children's feeding, like the parents were feeding them with the mobile phones by playing the same videos or abcd songs or something like animated films, and the childrens were so used to that feeding pattern that they won't eat without the technology or the video or the tools. Can you imagine how digital literacy is impacting the children's? Yeah. So now what I want to say is, maximum age is there is no age. You can use the smartphone until the death. Even if you are in the hospital on the bed, you can use the smartphone to engage yourself. And that is good. Actually, there is a good side of internet and digital literacy, because you people really don't need anybody these days, because your phone is with you. It's just your organ. So yeah, what are the gadgets? Gadgets. These gadgets only I know. If you know any more gadgets, please give me in the chat box. The mobile phones, tablets, PC, laptops, notebooks, gaming consoles like PS2, PS3, Xbox. Can you give me some more? Do you know any?